Have a great day. In this video, I am going to give an overview of positive and normative economics. Positive economics and normative economics are two standard branches of modern economics. Positive economics describes and explains various economic phenomena, while normative economics focuses on the value of economic fairness or what the economy should be. To put it simple, positive economics is called the what is branch of economics, while normative economics, on the other hand, is considered the branch of economics that tries to determine people's desirability to different economic programs and conditions by asking what should be or what ought to be. And here we have the meaning of positive economics. This positive economics is a stream of economics that focuses on the description, quantification, and explanation of economic developments, expectations, and associated phenomena. It relies on objective data analysis, relevant fact, and associated figures. It attempts to establish any cause and effect relationship or behavioral association which can help ascertain and test the development of economic theories. This positive economics is objective and fact based, where the statement are precise, descriptive, and clearly measurable. This statement can be measured against tangible evidence or historical instance. There is no instance of approval, disapproval in positive economics. Here is an example of positive economic statement. Government provided health care increases public expenditure. This statement is fact based and has no value judgment attached to it. Its validity can be proven or disproven by studying healthcare spending where government provided healthcare. Okay, and next here we have meaning of normative economics. Normative economic focuses on the ideological, opinion oriented, prescriptive, value judgmental, and what should be statement aimed toward economic development, investment projects, and scenarios. Its goal is to summarize people desirability to various economic developments, situations, and program by asking or quoting what should happen or what ought to be. This normative economics is subjective and value based, originating from personal perspective, feelings, or opinions involved in the decision making process. Normative economic statements are rigid and perspective in nature. They often should be in political or authenticated, which is why this economic branch is also called what should be or what ought to be in economics. For example, the government should provide basic health care to all citizens. As you can detect from the statement, it is value based, rooted in personal perspective and satisfy the requirement of what should be. Finally, both positive and normative economic statement are required in order to create the policies of a country, region, industrial sector, institutions, or business. For more clarification, here we have a difference between positive economics and normative economics. Meaning, this positive economics means more focuses on data, facts, and figures rather than personal perspective. The statement here ought to be pointed and supported by relevant information. On the other hand, normative economics focuses more on personal perspective and opinion rather than facts and figures. Here the statement are based on an individual point of view and ample data is always available to support such claims. As next, here we have function. Positive economics describes the causes and outcome of relationship among variables. On the other hand, normative economics provide value judgment. Next, economical clarification. Positive economics provide a more scientific and calculated clarification on an economic issue. However, normative economic also provides a solution, but ones that are based on personal values. As next, testing. Every statement of positive economics can be tested scientifically and either proven or disregarded. However, normative economic statement cannot be tested scientifically. It entirely depended on the belief of an individual. And finally, area of study. Positive economic is the study of what is, whereas normative economic describes what should be. Yes, I hope now you all get a better idea on this positive and normative economics. Thank you.